just removed the top section. Now I'm going to remove each individual stud. I will update next.
So what I did is I'm planning to install this new post inside the drywall. Then I cut it this part, since from this side and to the other side is 35 inch. So this is a standard all doors have. I didn't want to reduce it by bringing the new post to this side, and it's going to be much less room. Later on it's going to be a problem. And I'm going to find the center of this post, and I'm going to drill a hole with a bolt, and I'm going to tie it, and I will show you later. So I'm trying to install the post. So I make a hole from the middle of this post, and I got the half-inch thickness, 12-inch long zinc plated rod. I have decided to take left panel because once I installed the rod, it wasn't that stable. There was nothing to hold the rod after this lumber. So I made a hole with the inch drill bit hole maker, and I put a knot, and I screwed it. It held it perfectly. It is stable like a rock. It doesn't move. If you can see, I'm not sure. Right there. Okay, yes. If you can see, it's right there. I put it and I tighten it. I have installed this lumber here, so whenever I attach the newel post from here, so it can squeeze, I can squeeze it here, and I can nail it from back as well. I have installed the post already, so I screwed the post from here to 3 screws from this post, and 1 screw from here to this side, and from this side, and from this side. So it's pretty good, stable. Got 1 sample of the handrail, and I measured from this top of the handrail all the way up to the tip of the staircase, which is this, for this staircase, it is 36 inches. Then on top, I'm going to install this pipe, install the pipe. Exactly. From this railing.